If Facebook is not working on Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right now to get it loading properly again. These steps are easy to follow and they can solve issues caused by browser glitches, bad cache files, weak internet, or a disabled setting in Chrome. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the fastest fix first. Step 1 is to restart Google Chrome. Close Chrome completely, not just the tab. Make sure every Chrome window is shut down. Then open Chrome again and try loading Facebook one more time. Sometimes a temporary browser problem is all it takes to stop Facebook from opening, and a fresh restart can clear that out immediately. If Facebook still is not working, move on to step 2 and check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and that your internet is actually working properly. A slow, unstable, or disconnected network can stop Facebook from loading even if Chrome itself is working fine. To test this, open another website and see if it loads normally. If other sites are also slow or not opening, then the problem is probably your connection and not Facebook. Next, try step 3 and refresh the Facebook page using a hard refresh. Open Facebook in Chrome, then press Ctrl and F5 on your keyboard. This forces Chrome to reload the page without using the old saved version from cache. It is a very useful fix when Facebook is stuck, broken, or not displaying correctly. If the page had outdated files saved, a hard refresh can often clear the issue instantly. Now let's go to step 4, which is clearing your Chrome cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes when Facebook is not working properly in Chrome. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. A clear browsing data window will appear. Here, select cookies and other site data, and also select cached images and files. Then change the time range to all time. After that, click Delete Data. Once the browser finishes clearing the files, go back and try opening Facebook again. Corrupted cache or cookie data can cause login problems, loading errors, or pages that just refuse to open correctly. If that still does not fix it, the next thing to check is whether JavaScript is enabled in Chrome. Facebook depends on JavaScript to function properly, so if it is turned off, the site may not work as expected. To check this, click the 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then click Settings. In the left menu, select Privacy and the Security, then click Site Settings. Scroll down until you find JavaScript and open that menu. Make sure the option that says Sites can use JavaScript is enabled. If it is blocked, turn it back on, then return to Facebook and test it again. At this point, one of these steps should usually solve the problem. If Facebook is still not working, it may help to update Chrome, disable extensions one by one, or test Facebook in incognito mode to see whether an add-on is causing the issue. But for most users, restarting Chrome, checking the internet, refreshing the page, clearing cache and cookies, and enabling JavaScript are the key fixes that get Facebook working again. So to quickly recap, restart Chrome, check your internet connection, hard refresh Facebook, clear cache and cookies, and make sure JavaScript is enabled. Those simple steps can fix a lot of common Facebook problems on Chrome without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.